Right then, hello! Come on in, mind your head. Ever walked past one of those enormous windowless hangars on an airbase? You know the ones. Big, gray, and utterly silent. You might hear the distant roar of a jet taking off, but from these particular buildings, nothing. It's enough to make you wonder, isn't it? What on earth goes on in there? Is it a secret clubhouse for pilots? Do they have a really big scalextric track? Well, I can tell you it's something far more brilliant and a whole lot more important. We're peeling back a tiny corner of the curtain on the home of one of the most extraordinary machines ever built by mankind. The F-22 Raptor. It's a place where science fiction becomes nuts and bolts reality. Now you might think you know the F-22, you've seen it at air shows, haven't you? Tearing a hole in the sky, but that's just the public performance. The real magic happens right here inside these classified walls. So what makes this jet so special? Why all the secrecy and fuss? In a word, stealth. The F-22 Raptor isn't just fast and agile. Its primary party trick is its ability to be incredibly difficult to detect. Think of it like this. A normal fighter shows up like a blazing bonfire. The Raptor is said to appear the size of a steel marble. It can be in and out of hostile airspace before anyone even knows it was there. This isn't just an advantage, it's a complete game changer. This invisibility cloak isn't a single device, it's baked into the very DNA of the aircraft. The sharp, angular design isn't just for looks. Every edge deflects radar away from the sender. And then, there's the skin. The Raptor is coated in a special radar-absorbent material, or RAM. This stuff is top secret. It works by literally soaking up radar energy like a sponge soaks water. An astonishing bit of material science, but it comes with a massive headache for maintenance crews. Because of this, maintenance is a whole different ballgame. You can't just pop open a panel. Every panel is part of that stealth shield. Removing it is a delicate surgical procedure. Step inside and the first thing that hits you isn't noise but an almost reverent quiet. The hangar is clinically clean, more like a hospital operating theater than a workshop. Everything is organized, cataloged, and tracked. The air hums with ventilation and the quiet clicks of specialized tools. Before a spanner is even picked up, diagnostics are running their own health checks. Teams of technicians, crew chiefs, and specialists move with calm, focused purpose around the jet. The process is a ballet of high-tech diagnostics and old-fashioned hands-on skill. Telemetry reports thousands of data points to the crews. Avionics specialists are digital detectives, diagnosing issues invisible to the naked eye. Then you have the structures team and the low observables folks, the stealth specialists. They work with rubbery sheets and pastes applied with the precision of a surgeon. Specialized scanners and micrometers measure coating thickness to the thousandth of an inch. A rainstorm, high-G maneuvers, or air friction at supersonic speed can wear down this delicate skin. Technicians painstakingly restore it, panel by panel, ensuring invisibility remains intact. And the propulsion specialists, the two Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines, are masterpieces capable of supercruise. Pulling an engine is a major operation requiring cranes, specialized dollies, and a synchronized team. Underneath all the stealth, this is still a fire-breathing machine of immense power. For all the incredible technology packed into the F-22, the most important component in this hangar is, without a doubt, the human being. The men and women who maintain these jets are a special breed. They possess a unique blend of patience, intelligence, and an almost obsessive attention to detail. You can't just be a good mechanic, you must be a perfectionist. The mantra here is, first time, every time, because there are no second chances. Teams coordinate like conductors. A crew chief orchestrates the process. Everyone has their part to play and must trust each other implicitly. Communication must be crystal clear. Personally, I find this human element the most fascinating part. These are young men and women, often in their early 20s, entrusted with vital defense assets. They work long hours in challenging conditions, far from home. Think about that. The pressure to get everything absolutely right is immense. Training is intense and it takes years to qualify. Complex electronics can throw baffling problems that require hours of troubleshooting, but it forges an incredible bond. They are the true backbone of air power. There aren't many F-22s. Every single one is precious. Keeping them mission ready is relentless. 24/7 operations. They make the impossible possible. They deserve our deepest respect. When you boil it all down, the work done in this hangar is about one thing: trust. The pilot strapping into that cockpit has to have absolute unconditional trust in the machine. That trust isn't placed in the jet. It's placed in the hands, eyes, and minds of every single person who laid a hand on it. It's a silent, sacred promise between the technician on the ground and the aviator in the sky. Their signature in a maintenance log is a guarantee, a personal vow. The safety of the pilot and the security of a nation rest on that signature. It's a weight most of us could never imagine carrying every day. Maintaining stealth coatings, diagnosing software glitches, tuning engines, these are direct contributions to national security. It's quiet, thankless work out of sight, but its impact is global. Next time you see an F-22 slice through the sky at an air show, look beyond the machine. Think of the hidden heroes in the hangar. Crew chiefs, avionics specialists, engine mechanics, stealth artisans, they make the impossible possible. They deserve our deepest respect. What are your thoughts on these guardians of the ghost? Share them below. Cheers. Thanks for sticking with me. If you like this peek behind the classified hangar, like and subscribe for more deep dives from Skyjet Wings.